How to log in into MyHTSpace portal account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. In the source bar, search for MyHTSpace portal login. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, official login. Well, it will land you on the official site of MyHTSpace. Scroll down and click on official login. Wait for a while for it to load. It will redirect you to this page. So in this page, what you want to do is, first of all, enter your username that you have created before. Once you have entered, the next thing you want to do is enter the password that you have created. Make sure that you enter the correct password. Once you have entered your username and the password, click on login. And then you will be successfully logged into your specific account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can log in into your MyHTSpace portal account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.